So we did some restock on the master grade kits.
On the master grade kit.
Yeah, and here's the pick up from the master grade.
What can you say?
That's the master grade Duel Gundam assault. I don't know how to say this word, but
Which word is it? I can't say that word either.
yeah.
I'm gonna either sound culturally inappropriate or I'm gonna sound like I'm swearing. One of two things.
So that's the one of the main characters unit from Gundam Seed and Seed Destiny.
Is it your favorite?
Yeah, one of my favorite.
Which is your favorite? If you had to choose all your favorite Gundams,
Oh,
what's your favorite series?
Oh, that's very hard.
IBO.
I would say Zeta Gundam.
Zeta Gundam.
Yeah.
What about Witches of Mercury? You like the Witches?
Yeah, I like Witch from the Mercury. I like the visuals of that one, but the story is not my type. So yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
You're about the story.
Yeah,
Ah,
I'm sorry.
I'm about the pictures.
Ah,
and the robots.
Fair enough. Okay.
What have we got?
Let's open the box.
Let's
anyway.
whip the top off this bad boy.
Yeah.
And have a closer look inside.
So Bandai released like 2 pre-built version of this Gundam before, but
pre-built.
Yeah, it's like.
Do they do pre-built ones?
They do pre-built ones.
Oh,
yeah.
There you go.
Very interesting, but they're missing some very important parts for this Gundam. So I would say the master grade one is the most playable version.
Yeah.
Of the Duel Gundam. Yeah.
And that's what you mean. Like you mean poseable, right? So it's the
also,
one that can move the most.
I mean, also the parts, the amount of the parts and the armor and weapon system.
Yeah.
It's like covering everything from the story.
Covering everything from the story.
Yes. So it has like an outer armor, like the blue ones on the. Let me just quickly get.
Show me.
Yeah.
Show me what you're talking about.
Here is the instruction manual.
Yeah.
Let's see. So that's the blue armor across all the body.
Yeah.
You can feel free to depart this armor and seeing this white, like inner.
So you can have like an inner skeleton or inner armor.
And
outer.
Yeah, and outer.
Like more protection.
Yeah, more protection for that one. Yeah, that's one of the robot spirit. The pre-built version doesn't have.
Yep.
And also the rocket launcher.
Gotta have a rocket launcher.
Yeah, they have the rocket launcher in the master grade one. And
is this the pilot?
Yes.
What's her name?
He's a guy.
Sorry, I didn't.
I know Japanese people likes to draw the like the male characters looks like female somehow.
A bit female.
Yeah.
A bit feminine. Sorry,
yeah,
not a bit female.
Yeah, a bit feminine. Yeah. His name is Isaac.
Isaac.
Yeah, Isaac. Yeah. And
is he a good pilot?
He's a very good pilot.
Is he?
Yeah.
Does he kill lots of baddies?
Yes, he does.
I love it.
Yeah, and also.
See, I can't get involved with Gundam without upsetting people.
And for this kit, they enhanced all the connection joints, so it can pose some very lifelike poses. Like, for example, this one. This is actually a very rare pose that not all the Gundams could do.
Really?
Yeah.
Hang on, let's go to the overhead so the people can see.
Yeah.
Which one?
This one, yeah.
So kneeling down, shooting up.
Yeah, especially it's like using both of the hands holding the weapon. Yeah. It's
very cool.
Yeah, because for some of the units, the chest armor might block the position of the arms. Yeah.
So they can't
they can't
go center line sort of thing.
Yeah. So this one has a very well designed position of all the armors. Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
And I do love the color palette.
Same.
You know me, I'm all about the color palette.
Yeah. And there are lots of details.
There's a color guide in here.
Yeah, so that means
you don't have to paint Gundam.
But if you want the next level, you always can go with further
Really?
Yeah, with painting or airbrushing. Yeah. It's really up
And
to you.
does the pilot come with this one?
Yeah, it has two different figures.
Two different figures.
Yeah, one is like sitting in the cockpit.
Yep.
And another one is just a general standing. Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
And speaking of the painting,
So is that your pick of the week?
yeah, that's the pick of the week.
That's your pick of the week.
Yeah,
Speaking of painting,
I'm doing a lot of paint works recently.
and you're doing painting and you're doing drawing.